Hello and welcome to Aspen House, brought to you by Snooze Living. This is a quick guide on how to use the dishwasher. Dishwasher is located on the left hand side. Open the door and ensure it's fully down. Pull out the shelves and insert your dishes. Once loaded, we need to insert a dishwasher tablet. They are provided to you and are underneath the sink. Take one tablet, add into the drawer and lock. Turn on the dishwasher. We have defaulted and highly recommend the eco mode and press start. Once started, a light will appear as red and then that will turn green once the cycle has finished. Thank you.